Hi, kids.
Hi, guys.
Monday.
Happy Monday.
I'm up north. I'm at Mill Creek in Mackinac, right here. It's my cabin.
I'm not. I'm in my bedroom.
Sorry, Mrs. Provost. We have kind of a different kind of assignment for you today, so we wanted to give you some directions on here so that you know what to do. And then we're actually going to post another video about some current events that are going on right now that you might be interested in. So, Mrs. Provost, if you want, I'll share my screen and you can talk about
what we're doing today.
Yes.
So you're going to be doing iReady like usual, 20 minutes on there. If you do close reading, make sure you try to limit yourself to about 20 minutes so it's not too much. If you're doing a lesson, try to get through the whole lesson. They should all be about 20 minutes anyway. And then do your independent reading for 20 to 30 minutes. And then your assignment today on Classroom is to go to Wondropolis, and you're going to do some exploring on there. Under the on the post for today is the link to all of the space articles on Wondropolis, and you're gonna look through all of these and find something you're interested in. You might have to click on a couple and see if there is, if it's something that you're really into or if you want to move on.
Like this one's what it's like to live on the International Space Station, or this one's what is the most dangerous belt. And then if you click down here on load more results, there'll be like even more. They go on forever.
There's a lot, yeah. So find an article that you are interested in, and then once you click on that, you're going to, can you find the one that you did for the example? So Ms. Knaus chose to do an article called What Causes a Shooting Star, and she read this article. You can listen to it as well if you look where she's pointing right now.
I think it's a robot voice, but I'm not sure. It's not going to let me do it probably because I'm on.
Is your video, yeah.
On video chat, but you can listen to it. Also, there's pictures and videos that'll help you like understand what they're talking about in the article.
Yeah, so kind of explore everything that's on the article that you choose. Read through it or listen to it. And then the other cool thing about Wondropolis is all of the like important words, you can hover over them, the ones that are highlighted in yellow, and it'll tell you what they mean. So when you get to those words, you can see that it'll
kind of helps you understand.
So you understand what you're reading.
When you're reading your article, you might want to and there's all kinds of stuff at the bottom too, like more stuff to do and more sources. It's a really cool website.
Yeah, there's a lot to see
or a piece of paper next to you while you're reading. You're going to write down some things that you've learned while you're reading the article, and it might be easier for you to write it down first before you start typing on the computer.
Because then what you're going to do is you're going to go into the classwork tab on Google Classroom, and the assignment for today is to make a slide in this slideshow based on your article that you read. So you're going to find the slide that has your name on it, and you're going to write at least 4 sentences about what you read. And Ms. Knaus did one on her Shooting Star article, and you notice that the first sentence was she told us what she read about.
I read about shooting stars. That's important so that we know what you're talking about.
Tells us what your topic is. And then her other sentences are just telling us more about what she learned in that article. And then once she has her information typed, then she's going to go back and she can link to the article that she read. You can see right now she's copying.
So I clicked on it, made it blue, and then I right-clicked, copy. I can also click on it and make it blue and press Control-C, and it'll copy the link. And I'm going to paste it by right-clicking, paste, and it's going to put the link right there. Or I can Control-V, and it pastes the link right there. That way we know what article you actually read.
And anybody else who is on the slideshow that can click on that article too and go and explore if they find it interesting.
Yep.
So then she can also, if she wants to, she can add pictures. And put those into her slideshow if she wants to, or she can choose to change the background so that the whole background is a picture.
Instead of clicking add to theme, I'm going to click done because then it'll just change my
your slide. Yeah,
just
if
mine.
you click add to theme, it's going to change everybody's slide, and you are only supposed to be changing your
My
own.
name is gone.
Just change the color.
There we go.
And then you can
you can make it as
font, you can make it bigger, you can play with the colors in it. It's up to you to make the slide whatever you want it to be. If you happen to make a mistake and mess up somebody else's slide, it happens. It's not a big deal. The first thing you need to do is go over to the arrow that's the undo, or hit Control-Z on your keyboard, and it'll undo the last thing that you did on the computer. If that doesn't work, or if it's more of an issue that you know how to solve yourself, please email us or make a comment on Classroom right away. And Ms.
make a comment with this button right here.
And Ms. Knaus and I can jump on and help you fix it.
And we'll get on there and make it better.
Yeah.
No problem for us. How do I make that go away? Oh, there we go. Okay.
Hit the check mark.
Okay. So that's your assignment for today. Don't forget iReady. Let us know if you have any problems. And we're going to post a separate posted video about some other interesting stuff that's going on in space right now. So look for that as well. I'm going to stop sharing. Anything else, Mrs. Provost? Oh, yeah. I recorded the first 3 chapters of Astro Twins.
Oh, yeah.
Posting those as well. So if you missed it during March's Reading Month, or if you didn't finish it, or if you just want to hear it again, I'm reading the book out loud on YouTube, and I'll post the videos over the next few days. And then after I finish reading aloud the first book, we're going to read aloud the second Astro Twins book, which you probably haven't heard yet unless you ordered it on your own, which I know some of you did. So keep an eye out for that too. Don't forget that listening to somebody else read does count as reading time.
That counts as your independent reading time too.
All right. Have a good day. Let us know if you need anything. And we'll see you later.